To import your existing subscriptions, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, head over to the Settings page and click on it. Once there, find the Import Subscriptions tab and click on it. Now, click on the Download Template button to grab the sample file. Open the file and manage your existing subscriptions data, making sure to follow the sample format. When you're ready, click Add Files to import the subscriptions. Click the Upload Now button and just like that, your subscriptions will be added to the Easy Subscriptions app, ready to go.